Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to disable Face ID on CashApp. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official CashApp website. So to enable security lock, you just have to go to your profile icon on your CashApp home screen, select privacy and security, toggle on the security lock. In this case, you have to toggle off the security lock, and then you have to enter your PIN or Touch ID or Face ID once, so you can disable your security lock. You can also do it online. Just log in into your CashApp account at cashapp/account. At the bottom of the left toolbar, select account to open your settings. In the privacy and security selection, toggle on security lock. In this case, just toggle off security lock, and then you just have to enter your PIN, and this is how you toggle off your security or Face ID on CashApp. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please leave a like, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.